Hello, beautiful people. Join us as we take on one of the most exciting adventure activities in Jinja, which is rural quad biking. So, on this particular safari, we slept at the beautiful Marina apartments in Jinja, and early in the morning, we decided to go and try out this adventure activity before we set on our journey back to Kampala. So, that was us from Jinja Marina apartments taking on Jinja Uganda highway, so that we could break off on the bridge and then go to Jagali, where this adventure epic takes place. When you see us at that particular bridge, then you know we are special guests for the adventure capital of the world, Jinja Town. Here we are, getting ready to take on one of the most adventurous activities in this adventure capital, which is rural quad biking. What makes a quad biking really special is the fact that we don't just ride in a playground, but we ride through the rural villages of Jinja. And special to this riding epic is the fact that at certain points you get to have a clear view of the beautiful Nile River. So when going to Bujagali from Kampala, you break off on your left right after the bridge on Ambakot, and you take on a distance of about 10 to 15 kilometers through the beautiful rural villages of Jinja. So on arrival at the beautiful all-terrain adventure facility, you will be welcomed by their personnel who will direct you to the registration point. After registration, you will be taken to a special warehouse where you will be briefed about the entire rural quad biking epic, the do's and don'ts of the safari. And in their gown, which is green or brown, and an element to protect your head from any injuries, and sometimes glasses, you will then go and choose a particular bike that you are comfortable riding on. So that was us choosing which bike exactly was best. And all the tourists I was with were very excited about this particular adventure epic, simply because it had rained, and therefore the adventure was going to be even more exciting. It was going to be slippery simply because it was wet. So as soon as the briefing was done, we drove to the Nile to take a few pictures, but also test our bikes and see if they are ready for the adventure epic. And when all that was done, the adventure then began. What makes this quad biking adventure epic special is the fact that you go through the very small paths that ordinary people in these rural villages use to survive. These are the very same paths they use to go fetch water, collect firewood, rear their animals like cows and goats. And therefore, while on this particular riding adventure, you go through these rural villages experiencing exactly what these rural villages go through to survive on a daily basis. Our adventure was so exciting because it had rained, and while on the safari we used to go through swamps and valleys, and also encountering a few flooded paths that at the end of the day made the entire adventure super amazing, exciting. special to this particular adventure safari is the opportunity we got to spin these bikes in one of the community playgrounds in this rural village. This was one of the most exciting parts of this quad biking adventure. So when the spinning was done, we then embarked back on a journey to our starting point at All Terrain Adventure, and then that marked the end of our particular safari. The return journey was super amazing because the road was wide, it was muddy, and all that just made the entire experience super amazing. So join us next time for this adventure quad biking epic in Jinja, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys across Uganda.